Zyro Website Builder Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're considering Zyro as your go-to website builder, stick around. In this honest review, I'll break down everything you need to know: the features, pros, cons, and who should actually use Zyro. Zyro is a beginner-friendly website builder known for its simplicity, affordability, and AI-driven tools. It's designed for people who want to get a website up fast without dealing with complex coding or overwhelming customization options. Think small businesses, freelancers, and personal brands. Let's start with the key features. Zyro offers a drag-and-drop editor, responsive templates, and integrated e-commerce tools. You can build an online store, blog, or portfolio without any coding knowledge. The AI tools really set Zyro apart. They offer an AI writer, logo maker, heat map, and even AI business name generator. These tools are great for saving time and coming up with ideas, especially if you're not a designer or marketer. Plus, it integrates with popular services like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal. So, what's good? First, the pricing is affordable compared to other builders like Wix or Squarespace. Their plans start low, and even the e-commerce package is budget-friendly. Second, Zyro's speed is impressive. The templates load fast, which is crucial for SEO and user experience. Third, the interface is extremely easy to use. Even if you've never built a website before, you'll feel comfortable navigating Zyro's platform. Now the downsides. Customization is where Zyro falls short. While the drag-and-drop editor is easy to use, it's not as flexible as more advanced builders. You're somewhat limited by the templates. If you want pixel-perfect design control or complex features, you may find Zyro frustrating. Another issue is that Zyro lacks a dedicated app store. While it does offer key integrations, you won't find as many third-party add-ons as you would with platforms like WordPress. Who should use Zyro? If you're a small business owner, freelancer, or someone launching a simple e-commerce store, Zyro is a solid option. It's best for people who want a fast, affordable solution without the hassle of technical maintenance. However, if you need more advanced customization or plan to scale a complex website, you may want to explore other options. Final verdict: Zyro is great for beginners who want to quickly launch a professional-looking website at a low cost. It's not the most customizable or feature-rich platform, but it delivers on ease of use and speed. If simplicity and affordability are your priorities, Zyro is worth considering.